In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a demo account with Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll have Metatrader 5 installed and you'll be signed into a risk-free demo environment, ready to practice trading without using real money. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Any modern browser will work fine. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection so the download and installation goes smoothly. In the search bar, type Metatrader 5 and look for the official website. You'll recognize it by its clear branding and straightforward download page. It's important to use the official site rather than third-party download pages to avoid outdated installers or unsafe files. If you see ads at the top of your results, scroll past those and click the official listing. Once you're on the official Metatrader 5 page, you'll see download options. Choose the installer that matches your device. If you're on Windows, download the Windows version. If you're on Mac OS, choose the Mac version. Linux users can follow the Linux instructions provided on the site. On mobile, you'll be directed to the official App Store for your device. The platform is the same at its core, so pick the option that fits where you plan to use it most. Download the installer and open it. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the license agreement and default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. Your operating system may ask for permission to install. Go ahead and approve that. The installation usually takes just a minute or two. When it's done, launch Metatrader 5. On first launch, the platform will prompt you to open or connect an account. Choose the demo account option. A demo account gives you virtual funds and live market data in a simulated environment so you can learn features, test strategies, and get comfortable without risking real capital. If you're new to the platform, this is the safest and most effective way to start. The setup screens are straightforward. You'll select the demo option and proceed through the prompts. The platform will then create demo credentials for you. After selecting the demo option, you'll receive a login for your demo account. Keep this login handy. It may be shown immediately on screen during setup, and you can save it securely for future use. Now, in the login field, type the login exactly as it appears. Be careful with any characters that look similar and avoid adding extra spaces. This ensures the platform connects to the correct demo account. Next, enter the password associated with that demo login. Passwords are case sensitive, so match every letter and symbol exactly. If you copied it, make sure there are no leading or trailing spaces. For security, don't share these details with anyone. If the platform offers to save your password, only enable that on a personal device you control. When both fields are filled out, click Login. The platform will connect to the demo server and sign you in. If the credentials were entered correctly, you'll see price quotes updating and the platform will be ready for use. If you see a connection or authentication error, double-check the login and password for typos and try again. A quick re-entry usually fixes it. If you installed the mobile app, the flow is the same. Open the app, select a demo account when prompted, then enter the login and password and tap Login. Mobile and desktop can both connect to the same demo account, which is convenient if you switch between devices. That's it. You've installed Metatrader 5, chosen the demo environment, entered your login and password, and signed in. From here, you can explore charts, place practice orders, and learn the interface without any financial risk. Remember, demo trading is designed for learning. Prices and execution are close to live conditions, but they can differ slightly from a real account. Use this time to build good habits and get comfortable before moving on to live trading. Thanks for watching, and take your time exploring the platform at your own pace.